Salesflare CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a no-nonsense CRM solution built specifically for small and medium-sized businesses, then Salesflare might be what you need. Links to the product are added in the description below. Let's get straight into it. Salesflare stands out by automating data entry, which is a game changer for anyone tired of manually entering customer details. It pulls in information from emails, social media, phone calls, and more, keeping your CRM up to date without lifting a finger. One of the key features is the visual sales pipeline. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, and gives you a clear overview of where each deal stands at a glance. You can drag and drop deals between stages, set follow-up reminders, and easily track your team's progress. This is perfect for sales teams that want to focus on selling rather than managing complex software. Salesflare integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Gmail, Outlook, and LinkedIn. It's designed to work in the background, allowing you to focus on what matters: building relationships and closing deals. The built-in email tracking and scheduling features are also a big plus, helping you stay on top of your communication and follow-ups. Now, who is Salesflare made for? It's ideal for small to medium B2B companies that don't have time to spend on administrative tasks, but still need a robust CRM to manage customer relationships. It's simple enough for teams that are just getting started with CRM, but powerful enough for experienced sales professionals who need a tool to boost productivity. That's the rundown of Salesflare. If you're looking for an automated, user-friendly CRM that does the heavy lifting for you, it's worth considering. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more or try it yourself. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who could benefit from this information. Thanks for watching.